Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you with Charming Portfolio. This is a portfolio plugin of me which I have created so you can create portfolio within WordPress site without having to write anything in the code. So this is like installing the portfolio plugin and providing all of your information to show in the portfolio, and this will create a portfolio page for you. So let's show it. uh, let's get through it. We have First, what you have to do is like install the plugin from WordPress plugin directory. And once the plugin is installed, you have to activate the plugin, and once the plugin is activated you will find this menu. And if you open portfolio from here, you will see the overview of your plugin. I mean, overview of all of your information here. And if you open the customer's portfolio, you can like enable the portfolio here. So enabling the portfolio will convert your homepage into the portfolio. So this is like a normal or this is the site before enabling it. And if I enable this, it will like convert the homepage into portfolio. And you can also like disable it and use this shortcode to render this in any other page you want. But I am like using this to uh, using this for demonstration. So it's my home page, my site's home page will be the portfolio. So let's add some information of me. So I'm going to I mean let you know. I'll talk about this field later, but for now I'm going to like add some of my information, like app developer, and image of me, and a description of me, like hello everyone, I am, and a location of me. And this is like if I am available for new projects or not. And if I save this and refresh, you can see all of my new information is here, but still this is not what I added here. So this is like short description. It's not used in this latest theme, but still I will recommend to fill this field. But to edit this field, you have to open this tab on the hero section. If I update this, and now you can see it's updated. And we have in the hero section tab, we have like secondary image. This is not used in the latest V3 theme. Still I recommend choosing this. But let's see. Now we have this empty box here. To add content in this box, you have to add like content in here. Like if I do test, 3 plus test, and you can see this is here. So you can like keep something like 3 plus years of experience, or like 100% client satisfaction, or 100% on time delivery, etc. Whatever you want. So I'm just adding this for demonstration. And we have state boxes. So state boxes are analytical numbers that represent your experience, and you like you can showcase them in the portfolio. So I'm just adding some demo, like project delivered 400%, 100% client satisfaction. I'm gonna keep this everywhere. Save my time. And if I refresh, you can see all state boxes are here. You can modify them as you want. So now this is the contact information. So now let me talk about this field. So you can see there is a contact form. So if I add anything like test1 test1@gmail.com test message at submit, name is not valid. Okay, the name should not have any number. So inquiry is added. So where do you get those inquiry? So you have to open, you can check them here in the inquiries. So if I open this, you can see like test, this is my name, this is the message I sent, I mean the person sent, and this is the email, and that's it. But you are not gonna notified about the inquiries. So to get notified, you have to enable this, and if you enable this, you will be notified via email. So the email about new submission will send to this email. So I'm just adding this, and you can also change this number here. This is not used yet, but it might used in the future. So these are the social links. So in the this will be shown in here in the links to the contact form. So let's add some social links. So I actually mapped some social links. So if I use something like LinkedIn or Facebook as a name, so the icon will be shown. So let's test like Facebook, YouTube, and if I like update and fresh, you can see the links are here. You can also add header links like home with hash, about, hash, contact, and if you refresh, you can see you actually cannot see it perfectly because it is admin bar. So if I open this page in incognito, you can see these are here. So you can add your some of your external links, or you can like trick this plugin, like the about is like the hue section. If I inspect, actually don't worry, you don't have to know about this thing. I'm just showing you. We have something called id here about this about, and some id about like in the contact section, like contact. So we can actually use those ids to like make user like come into these specific sections. So let me show you, you understand it better. So for home, I'm just using this slash, and for about, I'm using this about, and for contact, I'm using this contact. So this actually used in the theme code, so that's why it will work, but nothing random won't work. So if I open this in the incognito and refresh, if I click about, so it's already in about, so it's not scrolling. But if I click contact, you can see it's scrolled. So it's also gonna work for some other field. I'll show you later. So this is footer menu links. I do not have any footer menu links in this theme, but you can add some of them, so it might get helpful in the future updates. So whatever, I'm going to themes, and you can choose any of those themes, but I actually recommend using this latest theme. These are like old and they are not good UI, so I recommend using this theme. You can try them out, but I wish you don't. I'll like improve the UI in future, but I'm actually focusing on this theme now. That's why I recommend using this theme. And if I refresh now, I actually did not make any changes, so there's nothing else. But we also have this additional info tab. where you can add your skills, your experiences, and your projects to showcase. So I'm adding a skills, I mean skill. So like WordPress development. I believe I already uploaded a logo of WordPress. You can see here, and I'm going to like use lorem text, like lorem some. So I'm using this lorem text. Mm, got so some tag here like WordPress plugin, comma separated tab obviously. And if I add this, I mean save this, you can see the skill is visible here with this text. So I can also add multiple skills like PHP. I believe I also have a logo of PHP. I'm using white logo because this background is dark, and currently we don't have any option to modify the colors, but we'll do it in future. uh, Whatever. Let's add a skill, some gibberish text. If I refresh, you can see. So I hope you get the point about adding skills. Now let's add some experiences. So this image is not, I mean, required. So you can skip this in this theme. So let's say ABC Studio as a web developer and responsibility of Lorenzo. I am working from 13th May 2026 to present, and if I update, you can see the experience is added. Everything I added in here. I can also add multiple experiences, but I'm not adding them. I don't want you to get very overwhelming. So I can add projects here. Uh, Project image is not required in this thing. So I'm skipping project one with lorem ipsum description, and like PHP, some text here, plugin test, project live link, and if I click refresh, you can see the project is here. The tag I used, I mean the category I used is here, and you can see the live link. So I can add multiple project as well, but I'm skipping adding multiple project to not make you overwhelming. And after portfolio, customer portfolio, and additional information, we have danger zone. This is really dangerous, and I actually don't recommend you using this often. So this is like deleting everything about your portfolio. So let's try it. Before trying it, I'm going to show you the overview of the portfolio. So this is the portfolio overview. You can see every information you added. You can uh, give a like quick check if everything is here or not from this view. So I'm just showing it if you don't miss. So let's delete everything about the plugin. So what I actually do is like selecting it and copying here and like at tab. So I confirm everything is deleted. If I open portfolio overview, there is nothing. If I open this, it's again gone. So this is channel portfolio within some minutes, I guess. This one will like longer than 20 minutes. So you can create your portfolio uh, without coding anything, without like wasting time on like prompting AI. to write you a a portfolio and changing the content of it. Like, if you are not a uh, programmer or not a development person, so I guess and I hope this plugin somehow useful for you. And I also recommend and request everyone to like try the plugin and also give a review of how it was for you. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you for watching till the end. Thank you. I uh, I'll see you in the next one.